Operations must be agile and high-performing, otherwise users will seek alternate solutions to enable business outcomes. This introduces new risks and complexities, although the bottleneck is often the process step with the longest processing time. It is important to always look at the capacities for making judgments. Additionally, operations management can no longer focus on isolated tasks and processes and must be one of the architects of your organization's overall business model. No longer is operations management considered subservient to marketing and finance. Rather, it is a legitimate functional area within most organizations. Businesses use a CMMS to improve the productivity, efficiency, and overall costs of maintenance operations. In summary, once you decide on the most effective work order software solution, there are a number of best practices to apply throughout the work order management system that will reduce response times, save resources, and help control the quality of the work being done. In commerce, supply chain management involves the movement and storage of raw materials, of work in process inventory, and of finished goods from point of origin to point of consumption. Changes in operations, procedures, site standards, facilities, or organizations must be evaluated and managed to ensure that operations integrity risks arising from these changes remain at an acceptable level. Operations management is assessing the world marketplace and taking steps to sustain your organization's competitive position. Strategist consultants have been designing and implementing lean manufacturing for many years, before lean was known as lean. In addition, the way that the operations function and manage resources will impact both the way that the organization interacts with its external environment and its ability to meet the needs of its stakeholders. Develop visual operating models that show linkages both inside your enterprise as well as outside to customers, suppliers, and partners, as well as addressing facility risks in a thoughtful, systematized manner can help ensure that your facilities truly facilitate the mission and programs of your business. For example, a robust and successful sales and operations planning process is vital for bringing together executives from major operational organizations and determining how best to manage company resources and make future investments. Project managers typically design and plan using the critical path method, a formula used to determine the correct order in which to complete a project as efficiently as possible. There is always room to improve when it comes to processes used, the quality and capacity achieved, or as far as the level of inventory and human resources are concerned. Want to check how your operation management processes are performing? Find out more with our Operations Management Self-Assessment Toolkit, which you can find at store.theartofservice.com/operationsmanagementtoolkit.